Hello everyone, welcome to Vencru. Vencru is an invoicing, inventory management, and accounting software for businesses. Today, I will show you how to add a vendor. First, click on the Create New button. Select Vendor. Now, fill in the details of your vendor. The first name, last name, and email address fields are required. The rest are optional. If you have those information, you can add it. You could also add a note. This note is private and only you get to see it. It will not reflect on any purchase order or vendor bill you create. Select Save Vendor when you are done. Your vendor has been created successfully. You can find all your vendors under Contacts. Then select Vendor. There you have it, your vendor.